Hello everyone, welcome to physics classes by Harish, and today I am going to discuss about the equation of trajectory. It is a part of motion in plane grade 11 physics. So this concept belongs to motion in plane. So here, after knowing the projectile motion, right, what is projectile, and after knowing those all, we are going to derive the equation of trajectory. Okay, so here when an object is projected in xy plane with initial velocity u and angular projection is theta, now the path followed by the object is parabolic shape, like a semicircular shape, we can say that. So here, because of the gravity acts on each and every point, it will be in parabolic shape, right? So let the starting point is O and maximum height on its journey is A, and it will reach the ground on point B, and midpoint of OB is nothing but C. So here this AC is nothing but maximum height and OB is nothing but horizontal range or horizontal displacement also, we can say that. So when you resolve this velocity into horizontal component is ux and vertical component is uy. Okay, so here O is starting point and B is ending point. OB is equal to R. This is called range. Okay, and AC is maximum height. Okay. Now we are going to study the motion of object along x-axis and y-axis. See, this velocity components are ux is equal to u cos theta and uy is equal to u sin theta. Okay. Now motion along x-axis. X-axis, as we know that equation s is equal to ut plus half at square. So this will write along x-axis. So sx is equal to ux into t plus half ax into t square. So acceleration along x-axis is 0, comma, let us sx is equal to x and ux is equal to u cos theta according to resolution of the velocity. Okay, and t is as usual t. Now substitute these three in this equation. Sx will get x is equal to u cos theta into t plus this term becomes 0. Why? Because ax is 0. Ax is 0. So then we can write x is equal to u cos theta into t. So from this we can write t is equal to x divided by u cos theta, we can write. So this is equation 1. Now motion along y-axis. Motion along y-axis. Okay. Now motion along y-axis. Motion along y-axis. Similarly, like x-axis, we'll write s is equal to ut plus half at square along y-axis. That is sy is equal to uy into t plus half ay into t square. So let sy is equal to y and uy is equal to u sin theta and ay is equal to minus z. Why? Because initially it is in upward direction with angle theta. So now we can write this one, y is equal to u sin theta into t minus half g into t square. Let this is equation 2. Now substitute 1 into 1 is nothing but t is equal to x by u cos theta, this is equation 1. This we are going to substitute in this here. Y is equal to u sin theta into t is nothing but x by u cos theta minus half g into x divided by u cos theta whole square. So now here u and u will be cancelled. Y is equal to the sin theta divided by cos theta is nothing but tan theta into x minus g x square divided by 2u square cos square theta. So this can be written as ax minus bx square. So this is the equation of trajectory. It is also known as parabola equation. So here a is equal to tan theta and b is equal to g divided by 2u square cos square theta we can write. Okay. So this is the equation of trajectory. Y is equal to x tan theta minus gx square by 2u square cos square. This is also called as equation of trajectory. Thank you.